children, welcome to the chemistry class. Now we are going to discuss about the importance of water. So you know the importance of water, how the water is important to us. So life, as we know, it depends on water. So without water, as how the air is important to us, the next is water. So it has some unique properties, that is very special properties that make water essential for all the living organisms. So 71% of earth is covered in water, and in that 97% of water is salt water, that is in seas, that we find in seas and oceans. 60% of your cells, that is in our body, are made up of water. So 0.01% of earth's water is fresh water. See the amount of fresh water available on the earth. And water is a major constituent of all living things. About 75% body weight is due to water present in the body. And water acts as a means of transport. Water acts as a means of transport of our nutrients and then waste from the body. It acts as a skeleton in organisms such as worms. So such skeleton is called hydrostatic skeleton. Water is a medium of transport inside the bodies of living things. For example, it transports food, waste material, important gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. Plants need water in order to manufacture their food. Water is a medium for several chemical reactions within the bodies of living things. Loss of water from the body acts as a cooling mechanism. So without food, human being can survive for many days. But water is such an essential element that without water, he cannot survive. Drinking water should be totally clean. That means the water which we are drinking, it should be clean, pure and free of any disease causing microbes. And that's why it should be properly treated and disinfected before using it for drinking purpose. So that is why water is important to us. Next, living things need water for survival and well-being. Water bodies are habitats for plants and animals and marine creatures. Children, you might have seen in water there will be some planktons, that means marine creatures. So there are animals like fish, starfish, sea urchins, dolphins, whales, crabs. These are all what? Sea animals. And plants like lotus, vallisneria. These are the water plants. So water bodies are the source of food for humans, like seafood, fish which we eat, fish, crab and prawns. Water is needed for many human activities such as washing, cleaning, cooking, drinking. So these are all what activities? Human activities. Next, potable water. What is potable water and what is the need for potable water? The water we drink must be free of harmful chemicals and disease-causing germs. So there are many germs that cause diseases like virus, bacteria. They are responsible for the diseases. So such viral diseases like hepatitis. So it will be transmitted through the contaminated food and water. But more than viruses, bacteria diseases are carried in water. For example, diarrhea. A symptom of this disease is frequent loose watery stools and cholera, amoebic dysentery. So waterborne diseases. These are called waterborne diseases. That means disease comes from the contaminated water. So diseases like diarrhea, cholera, amoebic dysentery and gastroenteritis are caused by the waterborne bacteria. So these symptoms, this disease's symptoms are loose watery stools, fever, and frequent water loss from the body. These are accompanied. So loss of water from the body causes dehydration. And gastroenteritis leads to inflammation of stomach and intestine that causes vomiting in addition to diarrhea. That means loose motions. Water that is safe for drinking is said to be potable. Water that is safe for drinking is said to be potable. Depending on the source of the water, one or more following steps may be required to make the water potable. So before reaches our homes, the water should be cleaned in water treatment plant. First, water is collected in the settling tank, that is sedimentation tanks. So potable means what? Safe to drink. So not necessarily aesthetically pleasing. So potable affected by microbials, that is Giardia, Cryptosporidium. These are what? Microorganisms. And chemicals like alcohol, chlorodane, 1,2-dichloroethylene, disinfected by products. These are what? Chemicals, harmful chemicals present in the water. And inorganic chemicals like cadmium, copper, lead, mercury, these are present in the water. And radionuclides, these are what? The chemicals and nuclides present in the water. So potable water or improved drinking water is water that is safe to drink or to use for food preparation without risk of health problems. So the water which we are going to drink as clean of harmful contaminants, and it should be transparent, and it is odorless and colorless. It is harmless or free from disease causing bacteria. If all these characters are there, that means properties are there, that water is said to be potable water. That means it is safe for drinking. And next, how the potable water is prepared at home. So at home, filtration, UV filtration and boiling are the methods which we use to kill the harmful bacteria present in the water. So in the municipal corporation and before reaching to our homes, the water is cleaned through the treatment plant. So treatment plant, that means sedimentation takes place in the treatment plant. A large solid particles settle on the bottom. The water is then transferred by decantation to filter the tanks. And the porous water, that is the water that can be filtered, which can flow through the filters, that will flow, and that the waste present in the water that remains on the filters. And the water which is filtered, that water will flow into the pipes, and after that the collected water, after it has been filtered from sand and gravel means the filtration removes the fine impurities. Water passing from filter tanks is treated with chlorine to kill the germs. In our homes, we often take further precautions to ensure the safety of water. We drink boiling is used to kill the potentially harmful bacteria, and filtering removes the minute particles which may have escaped from the treatment plant. This is how we make water potable. And next class will discuss about water as a solvent. Okay children, have a good day.